I even said nothing now, we are something hard dash me. Come on, the drink,
Pepper name, pepper.
What?
Pepper.
What does the paper sweat? Pepper kill it.
It's crazy.
I ate a pig balls before. So hey guys, welcome back to the Seabourne's kitchen. Today we have a special guest in the house. Introduce yourself to them. Let them know where I'm going.
So I'm Vassan from Spearfishing with Vassan. So today I'm gonna do a seafood boil for the first time. Alright. So if you watch the video, my last video when we catch the crab. So see the crab there? Big,
Massive,
nice size king crab. Yeah, in weigh 4.5 pounds, guys. Yeah, so I'm big. I shot him claw. Almost big like my hand. Actually. So I have that with some lobster. About three lobster I have, not much. And some crayfish I catch last night at the river. And all that. I don't know if I'm going to show you a clip of those. And some franks. Yeah, so we're gonna have some potatoes with me, we're gonna have a few eggs and all that. So stay tuned guys and enjoy, alright?
Yeah, brother, catch them. Get them, brother. Alright, so I'm gonna say, brother, have some corns here, some scallion, thyme, sweet pepper, onion, garlic, some peppers, and some one bag of what do you call them, like pimento seeds. So we're just like gonna take out some, and you know. In the meantime, I'm gonna go and slice the corns. Alright, so we have some sweet peppers, otherwise known as bell peppers. How much head of garlic this? One head and little?
You know.
Okay. Smell nice already and it no blend yet. Onion. Alright, so I reached the scallion.
The escallion.
The
Escallion.
The what?
Escallion.
So we have some thyme.
No, we season them, huh?
Alright. So we're adding the thyme. So we're just adding the peppers and we are going to add some vinegar and blend. Jeez, look, I also forgot the pimento, guys. Cheers. I don't want to smell it. Cheers.
You know your brother got the touch. Whoop, 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 whoop. Yeah, man, it done. So you know, so that well seasoned. So it green? Yeah, man. Show some salt. Guys, and a coffee creamer here. A salt I put tonight. So I put the salt tonight just for taste. You put like a flavor, you know? Taste you know, see which part it reach. Yes, I put some corn in it, you know. Corn go and cook. Yo! You! I think I almost hand the claw almost long like my hand. I'm gonna beat them up a little bit though, cause crack the shell so the flavor can go up on the inside. Yo, look on the back alone, lads, Ajay. Massive, man. So the stone crab. One of the stone crab. Ah, that's tough, man. Do the same thing with that one, huh? Or even better, alright. So that good this one. Oh. Get them covered. I think that should do it. Alright, so yeah, man, I clean up the crayfish them. You don't know, so I clean up the pot. Watch out for little thing with they on them, rub them off. Got them in your pot now.
We have some potatoes. Ooh. We're not using the red one, guys. Ooh. And the crab is been cooking for some time now.
Yo, no potato like small, you know, man. Alright, so I'm gonna show them crayfish and all. And Shane, yo, I think you can have a whole. I need a bigger pot for this one.
Looks so.
So I'm gonna try to see if we can get the crab on top and the lobster them underneath, alright guys? I go put them egg in it. On top with them go on top there. That should do it. We'll take out some egg we cook already, put one side. So I put them up on top. Let's get the steam for it, right? See, guys. But can't cover you now. That make it work, said we. Need a bigger pot though. So what I'm going to do with this now is check out a little of this. Kind of like fry down. Well saucy. I have to add some more pepper in there. spicy, huh? Extra spicy. So I'm gonna use it like this night too. This one I'm gonna use as some blend up seasoning with black pepper, chicken, Maggi, fish seasoning. So this is some for my camping trip. I'm gonna use it like this night too. Well, my brother a chef long time now.
Okay. Chef one in our blood.
Okay. Alright.
I'm gonna show them how I have to catch a pot. Look at the seasoning on the sausage, yo. Ooh, the seasoning. It's the seasoning for me.
I use some Maggi soup it up. Chicken noodle. Hold on there.
See, I can tear it from this already.
What do I make knife from? Alright.
Just season the noodle curries. We don't want the noodle in the sauce. Oh, they can't see. So some of the noodle them get what you like, guys. The noodle get what in here, but oh well. We are gonna make it work. So it's on low flame.
Very, very clear.
You know we don't want with sauce to burn. Adding the ketchup. So this is a sweet and spicy sauce. I'm going to add some sugar. And this finished now, so we are going to drain the well, we take out the egg. Shell the egg and then we drain. And then share. Ooh, so we're just transferring them. Oh. What is what happened? Got too little? There, look at what my daddy will be missing.
Mr. Daddy. Alright guys, so
one time when they pass sweet watch and picking up.
alright Daddy. This is it. So I'll throw on the sauce on it now. Yeah.
So So guys, this is the final product. Ooh, look at that. Me say you want smell this. Me taste the sauce and me I tell you, Jesus, all who beg now get and who no beg no want. Ooh. Just remember to go over to Spearfishing with Vassan and watch his video, subscribe, like, comment and share. Bye bye.
He's the one that caught everything.
Yes, he did everything, guys. Everything when you see in yourself, I didn't catch it except for the sausage and the egg and the corn. But when you get the picture still.
Yeah, then they part there. So this taste, you know. Taste that.
Me not ready for camera, but me want taste. Sorry.
Alright, come. At least when this
Sorry,
one.
your food. Yeah, I don't know if you eat first. What is precise fish?
Want to take that sausage? Come now. Hey. Oh, what food is it now?
Girl behind the camera and want to taste something.
And it's nice. It's nice. What's up?
I'm sure I can't. Take it.
Ooh. Smile up on it, you know. I want it. So.
Child!
Oh, what?
Janelle! Yeah,
Alright,
Come on, please. I look nice, Vassan.
it's done.
Look on this. On the sauce. Can I see it too? Vassan.
Why you put up for me job thing?
Can I see it? Want to your chef? I don't want to add the camera, girl.
Why you trying this one, huh?
That's something tasty too.
You want to taste it too?
Yeah.
So give one next dish. Okay, I'm funny.
Mama, the chef.
Okay, using the butter now.
No, I'm not gonna want no butter. The sauce.
Sauce bad down. Alright.
I want you to show your brother.
You want any food?
Everything.
Alright. Crayfish, huh?
Why am I?
No.
Want egg, yeah?
Hold on there. Guys, I can't eat it the right way. So here with me I go do. Me will stop record because
What you want?
me I forget everything.
Lobster
So
You wanna get the crab?
You know crab and crab leg?
see you guys later. Remember to go over to Spearfishing with Vassan's channel and subscribe.
And go over to Arts by Janelle and subscribe.
Show some love,
They,
guys.
Behind the camera.
No, it's a lobster,
Con.
yeah.
Alright guys, bye.
Lobster, sure.